this is just my intro video. Welcome to my channel. I used to post gotcha life videos on here, but recently I've decided to make like craft videos, crocheting, sewing, whatever I can, and I hope you enjoy. Bye! In this video, I will be teaching you basic things that you need to know for crochet. In this video, I will be teaching you how to make a chain and how to do a single crochet stitch. And I also forgot to mention I will be teaching a half double crochet, a double crochet, and a triple crochet stitch. Sorry about that. Okay, so I have my yarn back here, and I'm going to be showing you a few examples of things you can make. I will not be teaching them in this video, but I might in a future video. This is just a solid square, and I know it looks a little warped, but it's just been folded in the bag. It's just a solid square in the round. And I made a smaller one with a 4-weight yarn. I will be teaching you some terminology, but I will do some more research so that I can make more videos on this. I also made this bandana in the round, and it just goes on the head like that, and you just tie it in the back. It's very nice. And we're just going to use this denim yarn. Now the yarn that I'm using right now is a weight 4, and it's worsted weight. This is Lily Sugar and Cream. I don't have the label anymore, but Lily Sugar and Cream denim. And so for this project, you're going to need yarn, scissors, a crochet hook, and a yarn needle. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start off with our yarn. This is beautiful denim. And we're just going to make a slip knot. So we're going to loop it around our finger, pull our finger out, take this loop, put it over the long strand of yarn, pull it through, and there's your slip knot, and it comes out easily. I'm going to show that one more time. Okay, so make the loop, put the yarn through, and pull. Now we're going to get our hook, and you have to make sure it's the right size according to your yarn. This is 5.5 millimeters. And we're going to take the long piece of yarn, not the little piece, and we're going to pull it so it's the right size. And now to make a chain, so here's the finger placement. You put your finger, your pointer finger, around the yarn like so. These two fingers holding the yarn, middle finger and thumb right here, holding the tail. And you're going to have these 3 fingers holding. Your thumb is on this wide part, and then your other pointer finger is on this part. You're gonna go around through the back like this, and you're gonna pull through. And just repeat that for how many chains you are. Now, I'm not gonna be teaching a magic circle in this video, but this is just how you make a chain. So now we have 2 chains. The chains are the little V's that you see. And then we're gonna go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to be teaching you a single crochet. So we're going to chain one more, so it'll be 11 chains. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now with the where we chained 11, we're going to skip that one, and we're going directly into the 10th chain. Now we're going to insert, yarn over, pull through the chain, yarn over, and pull through both of these loops. Now let me show you that one more time. You're going to go into the next chain, yarn over, pull through. You should have 2 loops on your hook. Put another loop and pull the loop up. And now you've just made 2 single crochets. So I'm going to continue for the rest of the round, and I'll meet you back. Okay, so I made it to the end of the row, and now we're going to turn. So you're going to chain 1, and you're going to turn. And now I'm going to teach you how to do a half double crochet. We're going to yarn over, go into this first one, and remember the first chain that you just made, that does not count as a stitch. So you go into this one, you yarn over, insert, make sure you're going through both of those, yarn over, pull through. You should have 3 loops on the hook. Now yarn over, and you're going to pull through all 3. let's show that one more time. Yarn over, insert, make sure you're going into both parts of the V, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and go through all three. I'm going to meet you back in a second. Okay, and we're back, and we have one more chain to go through. If the camera will just focus. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all three. Now we're going to repeat the same thing we did to finish off the first row. Chain one, and turn. And now I will be teaching you how to do a double crochet. And in the UK, that would be called a treble crochet. And I will go into that in a different video, but let's start. Okay, so we chained one, that does not count as a stitch. We go into this one, we yarn over. We started the same as the half double crochet, insert, yarn over, pull through. You will have 3 loops, yarn over, but you only pull through 2 this time. And then you yarn over again, and you pull through the last 2. And let me show that one more time. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through the last 2. Now I'll meet you back when I finish the row. Now we finished, we're just going to do our turning stitch. Now I'm going to be teaching you how to do a treble crochet. And you're going to go into this one, you're going to yarn over twice, so there will be 3 loops. Insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and then pull through 2 more, and then pull through the last 2. Let's show that one more time. Yarn over 1, 2 times, insert, yarn over, pull through. Sorry, the dishwasher is running, it's kind of loud. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through the last 2. I'll meet you back when I finish this row. Okay, now that we've made it to the end of the row, we're going to cut off our tail. These are the only stitches I will be showing today, but there are much more. These are just the basic ones that you need to know. There are other ones, such as the waffle stitch or the puff stitch and the jasmine stitch, but those ones, things like that, are more complicated. Now you're going to pull through one side of it. The side that doesn't make the loop go like that, it'll be on the right side. I'm just going to pull it tight so it tightens it, and then pull the left side. And now we're going to get our darning needle right here. And I got these off Amazon, and I really recommend it because it was a very good deal, and it came with like 7 needles, I think. Okay, anyways. So it's basically just like sewing. You're just sewing the ends in. And except that this part is blunt, so it won't poke you. If you're looking these up, you can look up blunt tapestry needle or darning needle or yarn needle. And I recommend the metal ones because they last longer, and the plastic ones, they kind of bend and it's annoying. Okay, let's do that again. Sorry, I messed up. Okay, so yeah, so you can order yarn off Amazon and stuff. This is not sponsored or anything, but Amazon is a good place to look at this stuff, or Michael's. And now we're just going to go into these bottom parts with the 2 loops. We're going to go through here, like that. And then we're going to go through, not this one, like so. And through a few more. So that's 1, 2, 3. And then 4, and we're going to pull the needle through. Make sure it's not too tight though, so make sure you adjust it as needed. And we're going to put the yarn needle back in. Mine kind of fell out, so There we go. And we're gonna skip this first one, we're gonna go into that second one right here, so like this. Just gonna go through. It can be a little difficult sometimes, but you'll get it. And then you're just gonna go through, make sure it's not too tight, so pull it a little bit. You're gonna take your scissors, you're gonna cut the yarn. And this is just a sample piece, but this is an intro into crocheting, and I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye.